Hey everyone, it's Mare here from the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio. In the month of March, Pilates practitioners celebrate the Pilates Classical Mat Work Series. It's March Matness. To celebrate here in my studio in the year 2021, I am coming at you with 5 classical Pilates exercises in each video. Starting right here with the 100. Now, if you are looking for one exercise a day and different approaches to these exercises, you should check out my playlist for March Madness from 2020, where I went through each exercise every single day. So today I'm going to be demonstrating the first 5 exercises in the Classical Pilates Mat Work series. The 100, the roll up, the roll over, the one leg circle, and rolling back, aka rolling like a ball. First, I'm going to be demonstrating each one of these exercises individually, going from one to the next in the series. And then I'm going to be taking all of these exercises and showing you how to flow them all together. Okay, next I'm going to be demonstrating a Pilates Flow, where we take one exercise directly into another, into the next, and into the next, taking one repetition of each. So starting with 100, I'm just inhaling for 5, exhaling for 5, folding down, and going directly into the roll up. And as I come down from that exercise, flowing into the roll over. Coming out of the rollover, one leg goes down towards the mat and directly into the one leg circle. One in each direction, and then switching the legs mid-air and taking one in each direction. and then lifting the body to prepare for rolling back. This can be a fun way to mix things up on the mat. So rather than taking 5 to 8 repetitions of each exercise, you really just take one and choose a few exercises that you flow one to the other and repeat through perhaps 5 to 8 times, flowing from one into the other, which can really make the muscles feel different. This is also a great way if you're trying to commit to memory the order of exercises and get more of a smooth transition from one exercise leading into the other. If you're following the classical series order, then this can be a great way to help you learn. Take 5 exercises at a time and just flow from one to the next, and then do that as you continue on to get all the exercises lined up in your mind. And those are your first 5 exercises in the classical Mat Pilates sequence. Thanks so much for joining me here in the studio today. Check out my channel for more Mat Pilates, Springboard Pilates, Barre, and more. And if you're looking to join me for more work on Patreon, you can join me for my Mat Pilates tier, where I'll give you tutorials and how-tos to go through and learn each and every exercise at all different levels, to go from beginner level to intermediate to advanced as a practitioner of all of these exercises. I also have Springboard Pilates and Barre on there. Come and check me out on Patreon. I will be back on here soon with the next 5 Pilates exercises. But in the meantime, here are some other videos that you might like.